Oh no!
Hi guys, today we're going to be reacting to Seal Puppet videos and Sonic Adventures videos for free, of course. And because we're going to be reacting to Sonic Adventures, Long Seals have never reacted to it. Yeah, but Vicky has. Hold on. Yeah, I have definitely react to videos, of course. Okay. Well, of course I am going to be reacting to the video today. And also, guys, what is it, three-headed long seal? I got a new head. And I'm going to be good. Okay, let's get it to the starting of the video. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be reacting to this one.
Oh, hey! Look what I found. You know what this is?
Wait, is this from the past? I don't know.
Here, have a sip.
Let me see. That's me! That's me, of course.
Wow, what is this place?
Oh, that's Seal Puppet! Yeah, it is. It's Seal Puppet. Our famous video star. Hey, that's Yellow. His name is Jerry. Hey, that's Jerry that encountered it.
I want puppy! Snakes devour. One is over there, man.
Yeah, this is definitely the part where long seals are coming. This is a poorly made video. Let's go ahead and change the video. Next video.
Last time on Seal Puppet, the adventures of
Yeah,
Seal
I already
Puppet.
know.
Oh my gosh, Brian, oh my gosh, Ryan, this is so much the best thing on earth. Yeah, I can't believe this is such a nice day to be out here, Gabriel. Yeah, no, this is such a nice day. Yeah, no. On the news yesterday, they said that the long seals were attacking a group of people who were survivors. The survivors killed all the long seals, but rumors say that
let's get into the action.
Eggs of. Yeah. Anyways, I heard long seals are being sold on SD and Wish as pets. They are? Yes, but that's only just a myth. Okay. Oh no! There's a group of them. There's gray, orange, and brown. I mean green. Oh! Come on, we gotta throw it at them. Yeah, we gotta throw it at them. Come on, we gotta recreate that mouse hunt scene where he throws the orange at the mouse and then it kidnaps him. Yeah.
Look how more hard quality this video is. Let's watch this one.
It's a head on the left.
Hey, that's
I
Ryan.
know where the destination is, Siri. No, there's a head on the left.
Ew, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. Ew, that's disgusting. Yeah, that's disgusting. This is the video where the Marmite Entertainment Company creates long seals. This is how they actually create long seals, of course. Hey, that's me being made. No, that's somebody else. Okay. But Purple Sprout, doesn't that look like you? Yeah, kinda, but it's a different person, of course. Now let's do this one. some sort of SpongeBob intro. Now let's go to Seal Puppet. Let's go to Sonic Adventures. Gotta go in. Let's react to at least 5 videos. Oh my god, this volume is really great. You can tell about how rare it is to find. You can tell how rare it is to find Shadow and Silver plush toys, of course. I don't know. Next video.
There's a lady in my head who calls me Stud Muffin. Please leave me alone.
Next video.
How?
Next video. That is funny. Of course, long seals are great stuff. Tails
Why am I
is
so short? I'm so tired of being short. It's not fair. Just grow. Why didn't I think of that?
Okay, next video. Hold on, I'm trying to look for the Say What video. There.
Say what? Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
Say
Say what?
Say what?
Yes.
Say what?
Okay, we're gonna end the video here, guys. Bye.